Ang ano na for today patungkol sa isang senador na matapang, matalino, at may paninindigan. Walang iba kundi ang ating late Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago, kung saan merong isang taong nakatanggap ng malutong na shut up mula sa kanya dahil sa mga pinagsasabi nito patungkol kay Ma'am Miriam Defensor Santiago. Panoorin natin ang video.
Shut up!
Ayun, napakalutong ng shut up, di ba? Nakikita nyo, napakalutong ng shut up na natanggap niya mula kay Ma'am Miriam Defensor.
That's why I lost my temper, Mr. Chairman. Public Estates Authority is worlds apart from PhilInvest or whatever it is that he was mouthing. It implies that I was a member of the board of directors of a private company. I have never been so. Be careful with what you say to this committee.
I stand corrected.
You should be. Mr. Chairman, I most humbly request for this committee to consider this witness in contempt of court for deliberately misleading this committee and for particularly denigrating my integrity and my moral character.
Ayun, napakalutong ng shut up, di ba? Nakikita nyo, napakalutong ng shut up na natanggap niya mula kay Ma'am Miriam Defensor dahil sa mga pinagsasabi niya na hindi naman totoo. Sana nga, buhay pa ngayon ang ating nag-iisang Ma'am Miriam Defensor Santiago. Ito lang muna ngayon ang ating ano na for today, so stay tuned in my channel at aalamin natin naman ang susunod na ano na for today.